Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Julia, a Dallas-based flight attendant. However, today I am in Orlando with my sister. We're on vacation. Yesterday we went to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter at Universal Studios, and today we are heading to Disney World. So we just got off of our first bus from the hotel, and now we are heading on to a second bus, and we are going to Animal Kingdom. Hi! We are heading to Pandora. It's a new section of Animal Kingdom. We're super excited, but to get there, we have to go through Discovery Island first.
Let's stop and hear you!
Before we get on any rides though, we're gonna go try and find some food. We feel much better after eating some food, and now we are getting in line for the river ride. My sister corrected me, it is called the Navi River Journey. And we did not buy the fast passes for this specific ride, but we have for some other rides, and the wait time for this ride is 85 minutes. That ride was highly worth the wait. Highly recommend going on it if you are here in Animal Kingdom. It was so beautiful and so peaceful, and all of the lights were just so pretty. So we're gonna go walk a little bit more through Animal Kingdom and then actually head back to Pandora and see if the fast passes opened up for the next ride. And then we do have fast passes for a ride later today at around 4. We're now going to see a show called It's Tough to Be a Bug. It's hard to tell from a distance, but it is so cool. The big tree of life that's here in Animal Kingdom, it's carved of all different animals, which is just super cool. Beauty and the Bees, a cockroach line. We picked up our bug eyes, that's what the workers called these glasses, and we're ready for the show. We finished watching A Bug's Life, or It's Tough to Be a Bug, which was really cute, and then we walked a little bit through Asia and saw the monkeys, and now we are heading to Africa to go on the safari.
Look at these African elephants, they're so cool. They'll use their trunks to throw dirt, mud, and sand on their backs as a form of natural sunscreen. And it's usually the female lions to do most of the hunting for the pride, while the males will stay back and protect the pride.
Go eat some food before we go on the next rides. And also Animal Kingdom does a really great job with education on their conservation efforts and preserving wildlife, and I will put some links in the description box below to some articles about this. Just finished eating our super healthy lunch of chicken nuggets and french fries. Now we are heading to Expedition Everest. It's a roller coaster, should be really fun. So that's where we're going. There's a big roller coaster over there. So the Everest Expedition was actually a really fun roller coaster, and now we are waiting in line back in Pandora for the Avatar Flight of Passage, and the wait is a little over 2 hours. Our fast passes did not work here, or they were sold out, so we're just gonna wait in line. Alicia's shirt shining in the fluorescent lights here. Well, that was one of the coolest interactive rides I think I have ever been on, and now we're in the gift shop, so we're gonna look for some souvenirs before we head out of the park. I totally forgot to conclude this vlog while I was actually in Orlando, but now I am home in Dallas. But I just wanted to thank everyone so much for watching this vlog. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss any of my travel tips and adventures. I will see you guys next time. Bye.